What's going on, guys? Biker Dave here, working on the Hummer H3 Alpha, swapping out the fog lights. As you can see, the stock one is on the left, the awesome new one is on the right, and this is out in daylight. Definite brightness improvement. I'll put a link down below where you can get this particular bulb. That is some serious brightness. That's what they look like there, LED style. Direct fit replacement, didn't have to do anything funky or whatever. And I don't know why people claim that these are difficult to remove. I mean, I didn't have to take off anything, honestly. I mean, you could take off, this one little plastic rivet right there. Take that off and that'll give you some arm space, to reach your hand up in there. But you can literally just reach your hand up behind here and get to the bulb, and you just twist it and pull it out of there. It's a stock one. I mean, it's really not that big a deal. So for those of you who are curious about changing out your fog light bulbs, you don't have to remove much of anything really to get to it. But yeah, how about that? Considerable difference right there. Anyway, that's it. This is a 08 H3 Alpha. Got other videos on fixes and stuff and whatnot on it. So check out our previous videos and subscribe our channel, and you'll get notified when we post other videos. All kinds of stuff on there. That's it. So y'all have a good day. See ya.